Let's study the AND gate. AND gate is represented by the symbol like this. If I use A and B variables as the input and I'll use Y as the output, when I use two variables, that is 2 raised to 2, I have 4 possible inputs. Let us write the truth table for the AND gate. Truth table is the one which gives the relationship between inputs and outputs. We have the inputs A, B and output is Y. We know that gate will take only binary inputs, either 0 or 1. Here I am using two variables. The possible inputs are maybe A is 0, B is 0, A is 0, B is 1, or A is 1, B is 0, both are 1. AND gate works with respect to the switch operation that we discussed. So here when both the inputs are 0 0, it means both the switches are open. Output is 0. When any one of the switch is open, that is when A is 0 and B is 1, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. When both are 1 1, output is 1. So this is the truth table for AND gate. So in this case, in this gate, the output exists only for the input A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Now I can write Boolean expression for this AND gate. That is, I can write the output Y in equation form as Y is equal to, here output exists when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So I can write Y is equal to AB. This is the Boolean expression for AND gate. We can verify here, when A is 0 and B is 0, Y is 0. This is verified. When A is 0, B is 1, Y is 0. It is like multiplication operation. When A is 1, B is 0, Y is 0. When both are 1 1, 1 dot 1 is nothing but multiplication between 1 dot 1 is 1. That is Y is equal to 1. So Y equal to AB is the Boolean expression for AND gate. Now let us study OR gate. OR gate is represented by symbol let us assume A and B are the inputs, Y is the output. It is equivalent to say this is switch 1, say this is switch 2, and here I'll apply voltage. Assume that some current I is flowing and this is the bulb. In this case, when both the switches are open, no current flows in the circuit, bulb does not glow, that is output is 0. When S1 is closed and S2 is open, the current will follow this path and the current will flow into the circuit, therefore output is 1. When S2 is closed and S1 is open, in that case the current will follow this path, therefore the bulb will glow, that is nothing but output is equal to 1. When both the inputs are closed, then also current flows and the output is 1. Now let us write in the same way, we'll write the truth table for OR gate. A and B are the inputs, Y is the output. Possible inputs are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1 and 1 1. When both are 0 0, output is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, it is 1. Here it is 1. When both are 1 1, output is 1. So in OR gate, if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. So here the output is 1 for the values A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, and for A equal to 1, B equal to 0, we have 1, and when both are 1 1, the output is 1. Now let us write the Boolean expression by seeing this truth table. So here for this combination, for this output, the corresponding inputs are A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. I can write it as A bar B. Here A bar means complement of A. If A is 0, A bar is 1. If A is 1, A bar is 0. Next, for the value for this one, the corresponding inputs are A, B bar. For this value, the corresponding inputs are AB. Now we will simplify this expression. I can write Y is equal to, seeing this, I can take B common. I can write it as A plus A bar plus AB bar. So I can write Y is equal to, we know that A plus A bar is equal to 1. By seeing the Boolean laws, we can say A plus A bar is equal to 1 and B dot 1 is equal to B plus A B bar. I can write this as Y is equal to A plus B, B plus B bar, that is distributive law. Therefore I can write Y is equal to A plus B, whereas this value is 1. Therefore the Boolean expression for OR gate is A plus B. Boolean expression for OR gate is A plus B. Let us study NOT gate. NOT gate is the one which produces complement output. NOT gate can be represented by symbol. It takes one input and produces one output, and the output Y is always complement of the input, so that we can write Y is equal to A bar. The truth table is, it has only one input A and output is say Y. Y is the output here. Suppose input is 0, output will be 1. Input is 1, output is 0. This is the truth table for NOT gate. So the Boolean expression for NOT gate is Y is equal to A bar. Therefore now we can say AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate are basic gates. Along with basic gates, there are two more gates known as NAND gate and NOR gate. These two gates are known as universal gates. The word universal gate is used because we can implement these three basic gates using either NAND gates or using NOR gates. Therefore NAND and NOR are known as universal gates. Along with this, we have two more gates known as special gates. Those are XOR gate or XOR and we have XNOR gate. XNOR gate. These are called special gates.